Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to April 13th through the 19th for theater, cinema, and film. First of all, I hope you enjoyed the video, your must-see TV video I worked on last week. Hopefully that inspires a few of you to maybe watch a particular movie or a director's movie, from the 80s. But anyway, what you have this week is the discussion, the screening worksheet, and Q&A. So with the discussion, guys, some of you guys are following directions, which is great, and some of you are not following directions. It looks like now, off of what I see here, people are posting up what they intend to watch, and then once they go and watch it, they reply to their own post about, what they thought of the film. Okay, so that's what I need you to do. I know, there were some issues in the first week, and then fewer issues in the second week. Looks like this third week, you guys are starting to get on track. So again, post up, Monday or Tuesday, what you intend to watch this week, and then watch it, and then come back and give us your critique on it. Give it the grade and tell us what you thought of it. Okay, it might inspire somebody else to watch that film next week. And then what we have you do is answer the screening worksheet. All right, so that's just a list of questions there related to the film that you just watched. So you don't have to watch a second film. Just watch that same film and then answer those questions and then submit it. And then if you have any questions, about the week in general or about this video, go ahead and post up here. Okay? That's it. If you do need to go back and reference the notes from the Unit 1 screening worksheet, there is the document there, and then there is the lecture there. So if you need to remind yourself what a particular thing was or is that's being discussed, go ahead and check that out. And again, if you have any questions, just post up in the Q&A and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Okay? That's it. Have a great week, guys. Miss you all, and don't you forget about me